Shane, are we collabing right now? laurDIY scissors and a Shane hoodie? Is this as close to a Shane Dawson collab as I'll ever get? I mean, probably, but like, I feel at one right now with you, Shane. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to another Sunday DIY. So a popular video that's been going around is buying other YouTubers merch. And like, that's cool, but it's been done. Y'all have seen that. I decided that I wanted to buy some YouTubers merch, some of my favorite YouTubers, and hopefully I still have friends after this video, and DIY it. So PSA, I love all of the original designs. I just wanted to take some scissors to them to see what fun things you could do with t-shirts and hoodies from your favorite YouTubers' merch lines. I feel like this is probably an appropriate time to plug my own merch. So shop.laurDIY.com if you haven't already bought laurDIY merch. But also go support all these other YouTubers because the merch is bomb. And also guys, like I personally PSA, like I'm so sorry for taking scissors, but like it's like a fun thing. It's a fun thing. So hopefully y'all are cool with it because I'm about to cut your ish up. First YouTuber up is one of my good friends, Alicia Marie, aka MacBaby11 if you're an OG fan. So I bought the Update Time t-shirt, which is super cute, and it's already a crop tee. And my plan for this is to do like a little bit of a wrap tee situation. I forgot that I ordered a crop shirt, so it gonna be real crop. We about to show a little bit of belly, but that's okay because update time, we're DIYing YouTubers merch today. Also, I'll have all the merch link stores to everyone's merch in the down bar below. Guys, I got you. I'm gonna plug you too, don't worry. Okay, next up, I have my OG queen, Shane Dawson. And actually, Shane has a little bit of beef with me right now because he was sad that he didn't get invited to an event that I didn't even plan. Shane, Ryland's mom, I hope you're all listening because that was not my fault, but now, Shane, I have your phone number, so you will be invited. So I don't know if me cutting up his merch is like gonna help the beef situation. But Shane, I mean, if you want this crop hoodie when I'm done, it's yours. Ryland's mom, it's yours. If you want custom ones of Shane merch, is yours. Okay, so I wanna do like a really cute cropped short sleeve hoodie, I'm thinking, because I feel like that's like athleisure, and like, is athleisure in? I think I'm gonna make sure athleisure's in because I don't ever wanna go back to wearing real pants. This is cute. And also, this came with the best packaging. It was like all wrapped in itself and it was cute. I see you, Shane. I see you, Shane, in Amazon. Shane, if you want this, it's yours. Ryland's mom, offer's still there for all three of you. One of your dogs, maybe? Next, I've got Jojo Siwa sneakers because I have literal child-sized feet, so these are a size 4 and they fit perfectly. I think that actually translates to like a woman's 5.5 or 6, which is what I am, so I have that ability to fit in kids' shoes, which is bomb because these are so cute. I know they're kids' shoes, but like pink velvet and holographic, like Jojo, girl. get it. So I don't want to actually do too much of them because I actually love the base of them, and obviously can't mess with the bow because I feel like that's Jojo's thing. So I was thinking of doing some laurDIY patches on the inside, kind of like Chuck Taylor vibe. And then I've got laurDIY letter beads, and I want to do like a fun DIY squad thing across one of the laces because beads and shoelaces are kind of like the perfect, easiest thing to thread ever. That's the plan. About to have me some DIY Jojo Siwa sneakers. Also, Jojo's legal team, please don't come for me. But if you want to collab, hit me up, girl. Yes, guys, these are iron-on, but I'm scared to iron on crushed velvet, so we gonna hot glue today. Guys, I'm stoked on this one. Okay, so next up, I've got my girl, Tana. Oh my god, I hate myself. So I've got the canceled hoodie, and I'm so hoping this turns out because I love this hoodie. So if I mess it up, I'm gonna be real sad, and we'll probably have to order myself another one. But I've got high hopes. I've never done this before, but I'm thinking crop and zip right through the canceled. I got an orange one that matches so perfectly, but I'm kind of actually leaning towards the white one just because the trim of the text is white. But this is the plan. I think it's gonna be real cute. Fingers crossed I don't mess it up because I really like this hoodie. Tana, I'm so sorry if this goes south, but we're hoping it gonna be cute. Also, I wanted to sew this one because usually zippers are usually better sewed, but I don't have any black string. I have every color but black. So I'm gonna hot glue, but I would prefer to sew and probably will go over it with stitching after I get more thread. Okay, for real, let's do it.
I can't stand up, 'cause I'm not a kind of girl who paints your perfect world. Can't push set up, we're not living in a frame, and this ain't just a game.
DIY. Make sure to check out my merch store and all of the merch stores of the YouTubers that let me. They didn't actually let me. I didn't really ask for permission, but the YouTubers merch that I defaced, DIY'd. I feel like there's like a half glass empty, half glass full type of way that you could look at this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Thank you so much to the pretty. Thank you so much to the pretty. Thank you so much to the pretty. Guys, I gotta change this hashtag. I can't say it. I can't say it. We gotta change the hashtag. Pretty little LAUR of the week. Thank you so much to this person right here for shopping laurDIY products. I hope you're enjoying getting creative and you're having so much fun. Make sure to check out all my socials in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for Vlog again instead of another Sunday. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.